my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I did these beautiful velvet cheetah print nails on my client. So let's get right into it. I did a full set on her of acrylic. Everything has been shaped and buffed. So I'm going directly in with this beautiful cat eye, and I'm just drawing it on in a French, filling it all in, and then I'm going in with my little magnet here, and I'm just pulling all the cat eye effect to the front, and you'll see how beautiful that is. I'm just pulling the magnet so it's like still round and it's still kind of just shaped into the French. Like I don't want it to go beyond that. If you want to see how I do it, I can pin a video on how I do the French cat eye and pull all the cat eye to the front. You'll see just how beautiful this color is. It's almost like a burgundy maroony color, which I love. My client actually, she saw a video that I did doing a tutorial on the velvet cheetah, and she was like, okay, I know I want something along these lines, but just do you. So I had kind of full creative freedom today, so I had the choices between doing like a full nails or French nail. So I did really like the French vibe, and I know she likes her French, so I did go in and I did all her Frenchies in this pattern. And instead of doing the cheetah portion in like an embossed texture where I pour the clear acrylic on, I actually just went in straight and drew it on just with gel polish, and I just find it blends in a lot better. And I feel like the point is like when the cat eye effect is out, you can really see the cheetah pattern, but in certain lightings you can't. So it's just kind of like a little peekaboo factor, which I absolutely just love. You'll see me doing the cheetah print here, and you'll see kind of like how it appears a little bit more when the activated cat eye is showing, and a little bit less when it's out of the focal point. So I love this effect. It's just super fun. I didn't put too much cheetah, but I did put just a nice amount. I feel like it's not too saturated, but it's just enough. You can add more if you wanted or less if you wanted. It's really your call. It was so funny actually because she was wearing a burgundy sweater, so it went so well with these nails. She was literally like, I'm gonna go home and wash the sweater so I can wear it again tomorrow. It just looked so cute. Whenever that's done, I did fully cure it, of course, and I did go in with a really glossy top coat, and I fully saturated everything. Make sure you fully coat it, and because I did draw on the cheetah pattern, it is slightly raised above the French tip, so you do want to make sure that it's fully saturated and gloss. So you can go in with a slightly thicker layer just to make sure that everything is super nice and super seamless. Whenever that's done, finish with a full cure, and there you have it. You have these beautiful burgundy velvet cheetah print nails. I love this set. She absolutely loved it as well. Here you have an up close little shot of them. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you like me, don't forget to subscribe so you can see my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!